Welcome everybody to Carol's Art Room. In today's video, I have I think it's 10 by 10 canvas. I'm going to do a bloom, and I'm going to just use three colors: black, white, and golden teal. And cell activator is going to be black and possibly teal. I'll see. I'll think about it as I do it. So yeah, let's see how this looks. I think the teal will look really awesome with the black and white bloom. So I'll put you down and we'll get started. Hi everybody. I'm going to do my bloom with three colors: teal, black, and white. So I've got some house paint to pour down. This is a mixture of eggshell and satin house paint. I've got some, this is golden teal, golden fluid. Which is this here. And I have Amsterdam titanium white. And I have Liquitex Basics Mars black. Make sure my consistency is good. I think this needs a bit more water. Trying to make it a thinner consistency than that. Okay, so I'm going to put the teal down first. Okay, then I'm going to put black, white, black, I don't usually use black and white in my blooms. It's mostly all, except for the base and the cell activator, of course, but I just thought I would give it a try. I got a lot of air bubbles. Okay, now I have the Amsterdam titanium white. And I have a teal cell activator. And I have black cell activator. I think I'm going to use both. I'll put the teal down first. When I get my bowl ready. I like to give my CA a bit of a stir before I start. See how it leaves like a halo around it. All right, let's try this. There we go, that's a good one. I think hair dryers work great because they blow it fast. Look at those double cells in there. And that's what I'm talking about. Beautiful. I'll let the middle's quite concave, so I'm gonna let that settle in the middle. Middle is just gonna let the middle sit a little longer. I'll spin it the other way. Look at that, it's gorgeous. Still moving, so I want to give it another spin. I don't want a big puddle in the middle, because then when it's drying it might change position. So that's really good now. Okay, I think I'm done spinning. I don't want to spin it anymore because the cells are coming off. But that's gorgeous. What do you think? I just love this one. I'm gonna try these black and whites with other colors. So that was teal, black and white. And then, well, I used a teal, also a teal or a turquoise cell activator, which is this blue, turquoise blue by Amsterdam. Has to be opaque for a cell activator. There you go. Thanks for watching and have a great day, everybody. Please subscribe if you haven't already and hit the bell for notifications. And if you check the description under my video, you'll see recipes and other information. Hit the drop down arrow or hit the title if you're on your phone. Have a great day. Bye-bye. Hi, everybody. Here's my dried bloom. Look how gorgeous it is, and it's dried perfect. Really good. I really love this one. It's got all those beautiful cells. Awesome. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.